Viticus offers everything that I'm looking for. I'm looking for a place where I can deliver lectures, and then I'm looking for a place where I can actually have a hands-on cadaver experience.
The Viticus campus is probably the greatest facility that I've run a cadaver lab at. The technology is beyond anything that you can imagine.
This is one of the largest facilities we have, and it is also very well organized.
The facilities are top-notch, but it's the people that make Viticus special. It's the work ethic, it's the spirit.
Every single person is so interested and committed to helping us. It's really been a comprehensive experience that we're just grateful to partner with the group.
The staff and the service that the Viticus group provides, easy to work with, friendly, always willing to help out. The Viticus group always has things ready, things prepared. The service is unmatched anywhere else.
Very good place, and staff is very friendly. They open the doors and get easy to check in and easy to sign off.
You guys know how to treat people, and you treat them right. And our folks love coming here. To me, this is my favorite place in the country to do an event.